Mysteriously, I got a call from Chigozie.
What?
What is happening? I gave you an assignment and you botched it. You botched it.
Maybe it's his ghost.
I beg your pardon?
Chigozie is dead, sir.
Who did the shooting?
One of my boys did.
One of your boys did the shooting, and you didn't walk back to the cops to confirm Chigozie's death?
Why do you have a gun?
I don't trust you.
Oh, come on. You should know me better than this.
All I know is I should be careful in my dealings with you. Do you have my balance?
You did a perfect job. Reginald died a natural death. No traces, no loose ends, and no suspicion. Just like my boss wanted.
You know my question still remains unanswered.
You should put that gun away. You know I'm a person of honor.
Ah, I see. D'accord.
Okay.
I like to believe this is complete.
You did a perfect job, and I brought you a perfect reward.
Is it complete?
Yes, it is.
Walk away.
It was an oversight, sir.
An oversight. Feel an oversight. I planned the death of a woman's husband and married her. And now the man who helped me do the assassination is back to life. Instead of lying in the graveyard where I paid to put him there permanently after all said and done. And you stand here and tell me it's an oversight. An oversight that's come back to haunt me. Feel.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Sorry. Feel sorry. Sorry doesn't even cut it. Do you realize that when... It's him.
Hello? I helped you make your dream happen. And what did I get in return?
We can work this out, son.
I am not your son!
I'm sorry. But please, we can work this out. Just tell me what you'd like me to...
Go home. I left something with your gate man. You better hurry before Reginald's wife gets to it. Oh, sorry. I mean yours.
What did he say?
He left something with my gate man. Says I should hurry before it gets to Amanda. I have to go. Some of those stupid. I told you to stay by the gate. Or what do bullets you forget to be like shishi? So you're Benny. Did anybody drop a package for me?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.
Nígbà wo lẹ náà wá?
Kẹ́ tó bọ́lẹ̀ látòkè ara rántí mú wa.
Oh stupid.
Mo gbà sir.
Some go olóṣì ni ẹ́.
Ìgbàgbé ni mo gbà.
Come on, get out. Go and lock my gate. price?
4 million.
Okay, good. Tomorrow you'll have it.
Okay.
Oh, it's bad. How do I get out of this mess?
Where have you been?
My dear, um, the, the secretary called. She called to tell me about the case that happened in the office earlier today.
The secretary.
Yeah, she called.
But the secretary was sacked 2 days ago.
Sure. Actually, there was an emergency at the office complex. An emergency that required my presence.
So why did you have to sneak?
I'm sorry. I didn't want to disturb your sleep.
You really need to take it slowly, bro, okay?
Good morning, sir.
Keep the salutations and let me have my money feel.
Chris says it's 4 million in here.
That's correct.
For what use, sir?
For the mess you're putting me through, Phil. For the mess you're putting me through.
So, what's on your mind, Chief? Chief, talk to me. I need to know. What's on your mind?
I want to kill the bastard myself. Where exactly are you? I'm out of Lagos State for crying out loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hello? Damn you.
Hello? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Hand over the money to the guy standing in front of you.
What?
I didn't speak Chinese.
In this case, it's 4 million naira. I was hoping to hand it over to you.
You see, Chief, the last time I remembered coming to pick up money from you guys, I had bullets shot at me.
I'd like to see you, Chief.
And I don't wish to see you, Chief. Are you going to hand over the money?
Do I have a choice?
Yes, you do. You can go home with your money and explain to the woman you hold in your arms why you killed her husband and then married her. Good. Now go home.
So what next?
Your sins have been forgiven, Chief. Go home and sin no more.
Okay, Chief. Face the tree.
I have handed the money over to you.
Face the tree, Chief.
Why?
Just face the damn tree, Chief.
You with the
No!
Hello?
Hello, Amanda.
Who is this?
I have a confession to make.
A confession to make? Hello? Hello?
Who was that?
He didn't say.
What did he say?
He said he had a confession to make and then he just hung up.
Strange. Strange. I had a call like that earlier.
Really?
Give me the number.
It's anonymous.
I think I need to call my commissioner friend. I need to report this thing as soon as possible. A second, please. Fred, Chigozie. Please, Chigozie, I beg you.
Chief Okoye, you are an evil man.
All I wanted was to be with the woman of my dreams.
Another man's wife? Not just any man. A man that helped your company get to where it is now. A man that called you father and you called son?
I was in pursuit of happiness.
I see.
My wife must never hear the confession.
My silence comes with a price.
But I have already paid you.
My silence is golden. My silence is worth more than 4 million naira.
Okay. How much more do you want?
10 million. My lips are sealed.
What?
10 million is peanuts to you, Chief Okoye.
10 million naira is a whole lot of money.
Fine. You keep your money.
Wait. Williams. Hello. How do you want me to get this money across to you?
Get the money ready, and I'll give you further instructions.
Okay. As long as that bastard remains alive, I'll know no peace.
Please calm down, sir. We have our eyes all over the place. We'll find him and take him out.
You and I understand blackmail. It's a book that never closes.
I understand, sir.
Find him. Find him. My dear.
You're leaving early today.
I have a busy schedule ahead of me. Please, can you get me a bottle of water?
Okay.
Okay. Please hurry. Hola, Carlos. Báwo ni? Ṣé o sì?
Morning, Mola.
Èèyàn kan ló mú kíní wá pé kí n fún madam.
Excuse me. Where did this come from?
Somebody say make I give you.
Weren't you expecting the package?
No, I wasn't.
What's in it?
A CD. Confession.
Okay. Ta ló mú package wá, ṣọkùnrin àbóbìnrin?
Ọkùnrin ni, sir. Ó ga, ó nígẹ̀, ó nírùngbọ̀n, ó tún pa lórí.
A man brought this package. Amanda, is there something that you need to share with me?
No. I'm as surprised as you are. I wasn't expecting anything.
A man came to your house first thing in the morning to deliver this package to you, possibly knows you, and you say you do not know him? Amanda, I ask again, is there anything you need to tell me?
No. I'm confused here. I wasn't expecting anything.
Mbole Noba.
Main gate lọ gbà, sir.
Ṣó gbé mọ́tò wá náà bó fẹ́ sẹ́rin ní àbí?
Mọ́tò lọ gbé wa, àwọn píjọ ayé àtijọ́ tó òyìnbó kó lọ tó tún kó padà wá yẹn, òun lọ gbé wa, sir.
Hello? Security. There might be a push approaching the gate. Detain the driver. Thank you. Proceed.
So were you able to find the person?
No. But I played the CD in the car. It's empty. Amanda, are you sure you don't know who got this package?
I don't know this person.
You can talk to me.
I do not know this person.
Then you have to be very careful. Apart from the fact that I am Chief William Sokoya, you are also a celebrity author. It could have been anything. A parcel bomb or letter bomb, anything. So whenever you receive something like this, double check it or better still, wait for me to be there.
Alright, okay.
I'll see you when I come back, okay?
You've carried this weird look all day. What's happening?
My husband.
Okay. What's wrong with him?
Something is wrong. I can feel it strongly in my bones.
What are you talking about?
Do you know Okoya has been acting strange lately? And a lot of strange things have been happening also.
I'm still floating here, bestie.
The other day, I received telephone calls from an anonymous caller. He's telling me he has a confession to make.
What?
And then he hangs up without telling me the confession or telling me who he was.
Ami, you need rest.
I need to understand things, Sharon. Do you know that Okoya has been answering calls away from my hearing?
Did you try talking with him?
My dear, our communication has been poor lately.
It has. Maybe he's having an affair. Yeah. In relationships, when conversations are getting shorter with you, it might just be getting longer with someone else.
So what do I do?
Nothing. The truth has a way of always projecting itself. Don't worry.
I guess I'll just have to wait to see what happens.
ní sùúrù ọmọ kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé
Kí ló dé?
máa lọlé
Kí máa lọlé?
máa padà bá ẹ máa sọ.
Ibi bá ni mo.
Ó lè bí.
Ibi bá ni ma. Ó máa bá mi bí.
Ó yá má bínú.
Kí má bínú kí ni. Má fọkàn mi lóyún tán. Ó wá wá sí ibà fún ma gbé ibà. Ó fẹ́ fi sílẹ̀. Fi mi sílẹ̀. Kí ló ṣe? Mo ní kó fi sílẹ̀. Má fọkàn mi.
Yes, good day. Is there a problem?
Atoma.
There is big problem. Very big problem.
Who is she?
Madam, na my wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
Are you married?
Yes, ma, for village.
Okay, so what is the problem?
She talk say her father say make her pack all her load, make she dey stay with me here, ma.
Okay, in that case, why don't you guys move to the boys' quarters since no one is there at the moment?
Boys quarter.
Yes.
Madam, now God dey sleep for boys quarter, ma.
Which Oga?
Chief,
Which chief?
your husband, my oga.
You mean chief sleeps in the boys' quarters?
Yes, ma.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, when last did you see him sleep there?
Ever since we say you don't come to this house, he no sleep for boys quarter. But before you come, now there in dey sleep all night.
So if chief was sleeping in the boys' quarters, who was now sleeping in the main building?
Nobody.
Okay, get me the keys to the boys' quarters.
Madam, keys no deal with me. Oh. Now oga hold the keys.
Okay.
My dear.
Yes, I'm coming.
There you are. My dear, what is it? What's wrong?
Stay away from me.
What's going on? My dear, talk to me.
Please stay away from me. Don't come close to me.
Look, tell me what's going on. What's wrong with you?
Just stay away from me.
What's happening? What's with this strange behavior and My dear, can you please tell me what's going on? What madness is this?
I told you to stay away from me.
Stay away from you? Do you realize that I am your husband?
No! You are not my husband.
What did you say?
I said you are not my husband.
What am I to you?
A beast.
What am I to you? What am I to you?
A beast!
I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you. I love you, my dear. I love you more than life itself. I love you. Do you love me?
Yes.
Edo. It's all right. I'm sorry, okay? Okay? It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Dear. My dear. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? My once again, I apologize for what happened yesterday night. I totally lost it. I know I did. Okay. And I promise that it will not happen again. I promise. Okay. I'll come back early today to take you out to dinner, to any exquisite restaurant of your choice. Okay. And remember, always, that I love you more than life itself. I love you more than life itself. You love me, don't you?
Yes, I love you.
Come here, my dear. Come here. I'll see you later today, okay? And don't miss me too much. Go.
Hello?
Hey, girl. What's up?
Look, Sharon, I have made the greatest mistake of my life.
Mistake? What are you talking about?
Chief Okoya is a beast. That man is a beast.
Chief? A beast?
Do you know he tried to kill me last night? He almost killed me last night.
I don't understand. What really happened?
Look, I cannot talk right now, okay? I'm moving out. I'm packing my things out of this house right now. I'm going to an undisclosed location, okay? I'll give you all the information later. Don't tell anybody about this, okay? I'll call you later.
Okay. But please be careful.
All right, okay, call you back. I'll call you.
What nonsense do you think you're doing?
I want out of this marriage.
I beg your pardon.
I didn't speak Spanish, Okoya. I said I want out of this marriage.
You want out? Your reason being?
My reason being the man I now live with is not the man I married. The disparity is too horrifying for me.
Sit.
I am done and over with this marriage. My lawyers will serve you with the divorce papers.
Sit.
I am not sitting down. I am leaving.
Sit there, woman! Sit down there!
I am not sitting, I am leaving!
You will do no such thing! Sit!
Stop it.
Amanda. If you move a step further, I will shoot you. Shoot you till you are dead! this, what? You will do no such thing. Who is that? Let me have the phone. Let me have the phone! Back to the room. And if you step outside this door, my boys will be watching. And for your information, no communications. I love you. I love you. Tell me you love me too. Make sure that my wife does not leave this house.
Yes, sir.
If she does,
yes, sir.
I'm fine.
Yes, sir.
It's been over 5 weeks! 5 weeks! And you still haven't found him! 5 weeks!
I'm so sorry, sir. But trust me, we will find him. I have the entire city wired.
Same old story, Phil. Same old story! Look, I want to hear something different. I want to hear that you have found him and have taken him out. That's what I want to hear!
Certainly, sir.
Turn that damn thing off! Turn it off! Turn that damn thing off! I'm trying to turn it off! What boy? Boy, turn that thing off, my friend! Turn it off!
Hello, Boone. What? You found him?
You found him. Hello? Hello? Call him. Call him back now. Call him back. Go ahead. Call him back.
Yes, go and talk to me. Yeah, it's fine, I'm safe. So, where is he? Find out the room number. Oh, beautiful. We shall all meet at the warehouse then. Thank you.
Where is he and what's the room number? Where is he and what's the room number? Anyway, don't mind. Make all the concrete arrangements and let me do the shooting.
Sir?
That's an order! Make the arrangements and get out. Go!
Where is who?
One more of those stupid questions and I'll put a bullet through your head. Where the hell is Chigozie?
Who is Chigozie? I checked into this hotel 2 hours ago.
Hello? You're pointing your gun at an innocent soul. You see, I checked out at that same hotel 3 hours ago.
We can sort this out.
You see, Chief, I already have everything sorted out. As we talk now, your partner in crime is dead.
What?
What's her name again? Phil? She died so peacefully.
No!
Yeah. I forced her to make a confession against you, which will submit to the police. And she testified so horribly against you, Chief.
Chigozie, we can...
You will rot in prison for the rest of your miserable life.
Amanda, what are you doing here? I thought I told you to get your things ready. We have a plane to catch.
Why are we running away?
My dear, we have to go abroad and create a new beginning.
My question still remains unanswered. Why are we running away?
Because we are in the belly of the beast in this environment, that's why. So please go get your things ready, please.
Or is it because you don't want to hear the confession?
Confession?
Yes.
What confession?
That you were so in love and obsessed with me that you masterminded my husband's death just to have me all to yourself? Oh yes.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
I visited your mystery room. I saw everything. I saw my pictures. I saw our pictures.
Stop.
I saw the writings on the wall.
Stop!
You would take Reginald out and have Amanda all to yourself.
Stop!
Reginald must die.
Stop!
And if I don't stop?
No. Stop this madness right now, Amanda! Stop it!
Or you will kill me just like you killed my husband.
Reginald didn't deserve you. I deserve you. He stood in my way of happiness. He had to go. He had to die. He deserved to die.
So you killed him?
Yes, I did. And Amanda, I will shoot you if you move a step further. Don't scare me. Amanda, don't scare me. I will shoot you. Don't scare me.
Very well then. Chief Williams Okoya. Not a night with you in this house.
Huh?
I don't care if you kill me or you shoot me this very second. I am leaving you for good. This marriage is over.
Amanda, don't scare me. Don't scare me, Amanda. Don't scare me. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. I will shoot you, Amanda. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. If you move it, I will shoot you, Amanda. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. I will shoot you.
Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Please.
There wouldn't be sunshine if it wasn't for rain. There wouldn't be joy if it wasn't for pain. Both sides of life I have tested. And now here I am, back at one. Back at the same spot where I started. This book is a tacit proof that fairy tales do not always have happy endings. My Reginald. My Reginald is nowhere to be found. What becomes of me? What becomes of my dream to be a happily married woman with a loving husband and children? What becomes of my dream to capture happiness? They say time is magical, and so I'll wait. Maybe the lightning of miracles may strike. Maybe the sun will rise again. Maybe love and happiness may come knocking again. Maybe. And I choose to change the title of this book. It is no longer the story of us. I now choose to call it Behind the Face. The beast behind the face.